Okay, so here I've got the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. Man, these names just keep getting longer and longer. These are OnePlus's most competitive wireless earphones. The packaging looks and feels pretty premium till now. They promise a 20-hour battery life with about 10 hours of charge in just 10 minutes of warp charging. It's even got a low latency mode, which is specifically meant for the OnePlus devices in the Fanatic mode. Tearing into the box, we can see there's a graphic representation of the Bullets Wireless Z with the actual earphones below it. Also, the quick switch feature, which I don't think they talk much about, is something that I see many people using. It's a feature where you double tap the power button to switch between two recently paired devices. Inside this box, there's a small note from the Red Cable Club, the user manual along with the warranty information, and the USB-C charging cable along with spare ear tips. The ear tips feel premium and I didn't have any problem having them in ear for extended periods. The ear tips are very soft and comfortable. These earbuds seem to be built very rugged. They've got a firm neck band with the USB-C port and the power button along with some minimal branding on the left side. On the same side, there is a control panel with the volume rockers and a play pause button. They work equally well with almost all operating systems, including iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac, with some optimization specifically meant for OnePlus devices. The playback pauses when they are snapped together, which is a pretty convenient feature. Also, that snap is just magnificent. The low price, however, comes at the cost of having only two supported audio codecs. But don't get me wrong on that. The audio quality is impressive with a moderate low-end punch, but the mids and highs did sound tinny to me on most of the tracks. The latency or lag, even though is persistent, is very low. On non-OnePlus devices, it is noticeable, but it really doesn't take much time getting used to this while playing games or even watching videos. With the Fanatic mode on OnePlus devices though, it's almost totally zeroed out. There's almost no lag. In conclusion, for the price that they retail at, they are a very compelling pair of earphones. Though we would have loved the addition of Bluetooth 5.0, maybe a carrying case and a multi-device support, I really can't complain at this price. These should be a good buy if you're looking for some daily use Bluetooth earbuds with a wire, and for that price, I don't think you can go wrong. That's it for this video. Slap like if you liked it and make sure that you subscribe and enable notifications for the new videos that we are going to come up with. So catch you guys later.